Oh, it's Friday. And I just got done editing my video, and it's time to pull some orders. And I think my wife might kill me because look at this mess in my hallway. Look at this. This is a big pickup I did last week, or actually, no, a couple days ago. And then this giant box came in full of boxes. Then more boxes showed up, and then all these showed up. Fourth quarter problems, people. Fourth quarter problems. So let's pull a couple orders here. Man, it's been such a crazy week. All right, so we got 13 orders to pull, $450 worth of items. And I started grabbing some of the DVDs. My dad's staying with me, so my stuff's kind of all over because I cleared out my office because there's a spare room. And I had to move to other parts of the house. We sold this one right here. Ring of Honor DVD, Mayhem, Manhattan Mayhem 4, Roderick Strong, Eddie Edwards. But guys don't know, that's Sami Zayn from WWE dressed as El Generico. But yeah, we got $5.99 plus shipping. Got $5.99 plus shipping for that, not much, but it came in a bulk buy, which I had about $1 into the DVD. We sold another Ring of Honor DVD, which was Wrestling the Gateway. Already pulled it because I had it upstairs, and it is Wrestling the Gateway. Bryan Daniels, Jerry Lynn, Nigel McGuinness, and Claudio Castagnoli. We got, I think, $12.99. Yeah, we got $12.99 plus shipping on that. I, once again, have about $1 into that. So, not much into it. But let's head to the garage. Let's pull a couple more orders here. And let's talk about this crazy week, man. It's been nonstop. Like, nonstop. So, it's been such a crazy week. As you probably saw in this video, I've been picking all. So, I flew back from Cincinnati. I went to Resale Rally. Left on Friday with my wife. We got back here on Sunday. Monday, my dad has still been visiting, so we went to the local flea market here. Got a bunch of stuff. Got a call on Tuesday, which was this massive pickup of designer boxes. I know what you're thinking. Why didn't you just sell off those boxes? I did, but this is a good contact to have. So if he calls me with items, I'm going to buy it all. And from there, I ended up on Wednesday, we went to a local auction house, which I ended up selling a bunch of stuff, bought a little bit. And then on Thursday, I got called for another private pick on video games, which I don't know if it's going to be in this video or next video, but yeah, it's been hectic. Absolutely hectic. And I have not listed anything all week. It's been crazy. Hopefully today I'll get some listings in here. There's a massive community sale right by my house. Also, too, there is... I have a wedding to go to, and then I'm going to Orlando to meet ADH Dave on Sunday night. We're doing Hall of Scream at SeaWorld. And then Monday, we have the freaking flea market again because it's Columbus Day. Yeah, I need a vacation from my vacation from my vacation. This has been so much work this past week, but let's pull some orders here. All right, so I sold this water pike system. It's actually vintage. It's actually supposed to go to my storage unit, so I had it over here to the side. I mean, look at these graphics on this thing. So we sold this. This came from my dad. He had a he used to clear at houses, and I think I paid, this is new, I paid $39.90. No, I didn't pay $39. I probably got it for like $10-15 off him. I sold this for $39.99 plus shipping. Happy to have it move. Little bulk items I'm trying to get rid of, and just happy to have it moved. That literally just sold probably like within the last hour or so. So it's good to get fast items out of here. All right, so I dropped a brand new video on Friday on my picking channel about when I went to the flea market, and I picked up a bunch of patches. And the funny thing is ADH Dave had them, found them all, and then put them back because the guy went $100. I went through, I pulled out the sports ones, pulled out the ET stuff. I ended up getting it for I think $60. And I knew it was a good deal, but I didn't know how good of a deal it was because I got to sell these patches individually, but I decided to sell them in bulk because I think they'll be faster selling bulk and I don't have to sit around. But we just sold these. I think I had these Baltimore Orioles ones listed for $59.99, sent an offer for $49.99, and the guy messaged me and offered me $39.99. So, I mean, I'm already in the profit now. I sold my last batch for $40. This one for $40. We're pure profit, and we probably have another couple $100 in patches to go. So happy with it. Really happy with the sale. Yankees. What the heck? I think this was Indians. Red Sox. Cleveland? I think it's Cleveland. The last one I saw was Baltimore. Yeah, Cleveland Indians. It is, I think, how many patches? 33 vintage patches. So I looked at this as being a wholesaler. I got 33 patches, got $40 for them. If he lists them on eBay, $4 or $5 a piece, he'll make really good money. He'll triple his money on this. So, or that, he's gonna put them on hats. But that's what I was really looking for with these. Just bulk them up, move them out, get a higher average sales price, because that's what it's all about, doing less work. And got $39.99 plus shipping. I paid $60 for the entire bag of them, so right now that puts me into the profit going forward. And look, I got Kansas City, I got Tigers, I got Yankees, I got Mets, I got ET. There's some Phillies ones I forgot the list. All right, next item we sold was I think Napoleon, the Ninja Turtles from the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. I think it's the Frog. So, love myself some action figures. I had so much fun missing these. It's in the other box. Oh crap. Next time we saw is a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles NECA figure. It's Ace Duck. I think this is it here. Here we go. Yeah. These figures they did were pretty cool. They were Target exclusives, if I remember correctly. But they had tons of accessories, really cool looking figures. And they were also in 2-packs. I think we got $19.99 plus shipping for that. No, we actually got $29.99 plus shipping. So, love that sale. Came with that massive toy buy I did. At this point in time, I've already in the profits. So that's pure profit for me. So great pickup, great sale. Next item we sold is actually in the same container. It's actually a WWE figure. It's when back in the day, back in the WWF, when Bobby the Brain Heenan had to wear a weasel costume. They actually made a figure of that, which is hilarious. But this came in a massive figure buy. I was listing figures for like $6-7, and I sent out a best offer. It's been up there for a long time. I think we got $4.99 plus shipping or $5.99 plus shipping. I have about $1 into the figure, so not the biggest profit, but so cool. I have fun listing them. All right, so next things we sold. So let's talk about this crazy pickup I just had. You guys are gonna see clips of it and stuff like that, of this massive like Disney and like designer haul. I will say I'm buying stuff that I'm totally outside my comfort zone. Like I don't deal in high-end antiques like Tiffany's, Tiffany Company and stuff like that. I have sold a couple pieces in the past that I actually got from the same seller, but I paid $200 for this box. I did a bunch of research today, and it looks like that the last one sold hasn't been on eBay in the past couple years. The last one sold for $675. So I am super excited about that. If I can get a $500 profit off this item, that's gonna be I'm gonna be really, really happy. I'll show you here in a second what I'm referring to. But and then I also got this Gucci sweater that I paid. That has a price tag on it for $650. Like, I couldn't imagine buying a sweater for $650. Like, I can't fathom that, you know. I did buy a t-shirt for about $150, $200, so I guess it's no different than that. But yeah, let's pull some hats. I sold 2 different hats here. One was an Elton John hat. I think I got $16.99 plus shipping, and then I sold an Ohio State hat for $11.99 plus shipping. So let's pull these hats. Both red. So here's the Elton John one. So this one we sold for supposed to be $16.99, but I guess I have fat fingers. I typed in $16.96, and then hopefully this is it here. Ohio State is this one? Yeah, this is a Ohio State Buckeyes hat, brand new with tags. We got $11.99 plus shipping. This Buckeyes hat turned into a big ordeal. A buyer wanted to buy it. I sent an offer. It was at $14.99. I sent an offer for $11.99. The buyer wanted to buy it. I guess the eBay puts their items in a 30-day cycle. So after those 30 days, it refreshes the listing, and restarts it. Well, if you have a pending offer out, that offer disappears. So the buyer went to go buy it, it charged them full price, $14.99. So they messaged me, but by the time I saw the message, they've already put in a request to eBay. So the simple thing was just a request, hey, can you just discount it and give me a partial refund, which I would have been happy to do it. But since they put a request to eBay to cancel it, I just canceled it then, just to let's deal with the hassle. Reached back out to the buyer and said, hey, if you really wanted the hat, I could just change the price for it. It wasn't that big of a deal. I relisted it for them, and then they didn't buy it for a couple of days later, but it finally sold. So if you do watch, I'm happy that you bought it. I'm glad we got everything worked out. And so for $11.99 plus shipping, I think I may have $2 or $3 into that. The Elton John hat, I have $3 into that, and I got $16.99. So really happy. Get some of these hats out of here. Next item is we actually sold to a viewer, and I'm super excited about because, believe it or not, I don't sell many items to viewers, so which is super cool. Des is awesome. She bought Funko Pop, and she also bought some DVDs. So Des, thank you so much for your support. She does support a lot of the other resellers in the community as well. So thank you. Just want to, bottom of my heart, thank you so much for watching and supporting. So this one's in Y7. Oh yeah, look at this giant. You'll see this on my future flea market video, but I got this giant tiger head for $1 at the flea market. So that's definitely going to be put on Whatnot there. Super weird. Oh, and then this came from this giant pickup, but I'm not sure if I showed it in the video or not, but Mary Poppins umbrella, replica umbrella, super cool piece. So yeah, we'll have to get this going, get this item up. All right, so Des bought the Predator Hound, super cool Funko. I can see right here. It is a limited chase edition, 621, but pretty cool. Fugitive Predator, Assassin Predator, and then you have the Hound Predator. But I think she paid $13.99 plus shipping. So thank you, Des. I did find a Napoleon figure. I actually had it in a box marked to put in inventory, which I had a bunch of items I listed that never got put in inventory, which is a horrible idea. Don't do that, because when you list your items, make sure you put them right in your inventory, because if you get busy, you get sidetracked like myself, and then you forget to put them in, and then you can't find them, and you're looking over the place for them. It's a great idea and concept, but absolute failure on my part, execution-wise. Oh, this is what the figure is. We got, I think, $19.99 plus shipping. This is original Ninja Turtle figure. So every time I walk in my house, I see all these boxes. I got to take them to storage. Unfortunately, I mean, this is like 400 boxes here. This is our party bags from This Perfectly. I didn't really know, not This Perfectly, from the this is our gift bag from the reseller rally. Look how small, cute this little IKEA bag is. My wife loves it. She already told me she claimed it. But a bunch of other bags in here. So, I think what else we got in here? My Resell Genie. The bag from This Perfectly in there. Guys, if you guys aren't cross-listing, especially the fourth quarter, you guys are missing out. Guys, I am currently cross-listing all my items through This Perfectly, from eBay to Mercari and Posh. And then from Posh, you can actually move those items to Whatnot and put in their online marketplace. So it's kind of in the process I'm going right now. So I highly recommend, if you guys aren't doing it, especially the fourth quarter, you might want to look into it. I got a link down in the description down below. If you use the code PickingAndPunching, you get a big discount. Chevy Bel Air. I think we paid $1 or so for this. No, maybe paid $2 or $3 for it. I got $11.99 plus shipping. It takes up a lot of room. I just want it gone. So, all right. So I sold a Mickey Mantle baseball bat. I was so excited about this yard sale. I went to this yard sale about all these baseball bats, and only to realize that my camera wasn't turned on. Yeah, I had the perfect thumbnail, the perfect title for it too, saying how I hit a home run at this yard sale. I know, real original, right? Real original, Rod, real original. But you know, that's part of reselling. It's part of being a YouTuber. I mean, we mess up, man. We mess up and do things, so it sucks, especially when you have a big pickup or something like that. But I ended up getting like 17 baseball bats for like $14. No, I'm sorry. Got 17 baseball bats for $40. This was a Mickey Mantle bat from like the 70s. It was released by Louisville Slugger. It was a store release, but I ended up selling it for $62.50. I had it listed for $89.99. Buyer reached out to me and said he'll offer me $62.50 for it. So I just took it. I had literally $5 into it. I'll put a picture here so you guys can see it here, but the rest of the bats were like autographed bats from the Tampa Bay Rays that he won in like charity auctions and stuff like that. He used to have season tickets for the Rays. So it's a really cool pickup. When I went to the Commonwealth Picker up for his house to do the 100-mile sale, I ended up selling one of the baseball bats on there for, I think, Kyle Crawford for like $50 autograph. So they're game used, which is cool. I got a couple more of them. Definitely need to blow those out here. So probably put those up super cheap and see where they go. All right, next item is purchased by Des again. Des, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. She bought a lot of house DVDs, and I think she paid $39.99 plus shipping. Yeah, I love, one of my favorite things to sell is media, especially in big sets like this, but it's season 1 through 8, and I think I paid maybe $10 for it, something like that, but I got $39.99 plus shipping. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. This Wednesday night, we are giving back to the community. It's an all-free show, free items, free shipping on Whatnot. All you guys have to do is just show up. If you guys aren't a member of Whatnot, I put a link down below. You get $15 just for signing up. You can use it on any show, not just mine. But this Wednesday, you don't need the money. Just show up. Everything is free. We're giving back to the community. So make sure you guys follow us there. Until next time, guys, make sure that you guys keep flipping and punching.